What is going on, you guys? I hope you're all having an embraceful day. Today we're going to be working on the Rocket Bunny kit. So the first thing we're going to get started on is we're going to start cutting the holes on the diffuser looking thing that we made for the exhaust. So we're going to start cutting those out, and then we're going to start bonding everything. What else do we need to get done today? We need to get the fender flares extended, and we might need to cut the rear bumper a little bit more depending, because I already put the spacers on there. So we need to see if the tires are going to be hitting the rear bumper. If it does, we're just going to trim it down a little bit. On the last clip that you guys saw, we just extended it and we added fiberglass to the rear body of the fender flares. We got that done. I ended up taking off the Cleco pins and the bracket we made, and I ended up refilling it all the way across. That way the whole top part is flush and the whole bottom part is filled with fiberglass as well. But I think that's where I'm going to end today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Rocket Bunny video, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and embrace yourself.